Setting up pre-orders on Squarespace is a great way to sell products before they are available for shipping. Here's how you can enable pre-orders for your products. Log into your Squarespace account. Visit Squarespace and sign into your account. Select the website where you want to enable pre-orders. Navigate to your store. In the left-hand menu, click on Commerce or Pages and then select your store page. This will show all the products in your store. Add or edit a product. To set up a pre-order for a product, either click plus to add a new product or select an existing product to edit. Choose physical for a shippable product. Set the pre-order information. In the product details, add all the necessary information such as title, description, and images. In the price section, set the price customers will pay during pre-order. In the stock section, set the inventory as you normally would, but in the description or additional info field, mention that this is a pre-order and include the estimated shipping date. Communicate pre-order details. Make it clear in the product description that the item is available for pre-order and state the expected shipping or availability date. Manage inventory and orders. After setting up, your customers will be able to place pre-orders, and once the product is available, you can fulfill those orders directly through Squarespace.